Why are you not letting me do that? All right. Anyway, folks, welcome to Gamcast for Monday evening. Tonight, I wanted to talk about the January 6th judges. Another judge today. I told you about it earlier. Basically went ahead and went through with the pardon or the commutation, as the case may be, and took it upon him or herself to issue a 4 or 5 page order just excoriating January 6th and going on and on and on. And I want you to understand this is not only unjudicial conduct, it's also clear bias and demonstrates why none of these people should have presided over any of these cases. So you can take a look here. I've pulled up the code 28 USC 455. Any justice, judge, or magistrate judge of the United States shall disqualify himself in any proceeding in which his impartiality might reasonably be questioned. So the standard is, would the litigant, in this case a January 6th defendant, feel like they would get a fair and impartial hearing from this person? Now here's Judge Chutkan order from a couple days ago. More broadly, no pardon can change the tragic truth of what happened on January 6th. On that day, a mob professing support for President Trump violently attacked the United States Capitol to stop the Electoral College certification. The dismissal of this case cannot undo the rampage that left multiple people dead. That's a lie, by the way. Injured, and more than 140 people, and inflicted millions of damage. It cannot diminish the heroism of the law enforcement officers who struggled, facing serious injury and even death, to control the mob. It cannot whitewash the blood, feces, and terror from the mob in its wake. And it cannot repair the jagged breach in America's sacred tradition of peacefully transferring power. It's also a lie. Power was peacefully transferred on the 21st, 2021, as it should have been. Anyway, folks, here's the point of this. One, there's no need to say this. It's happened. You don't need to cry. But here's the more important thing. Why would you broadcast to the entire world how biased you are? Do you think this person, if you were January 6th, would you want this person residing? Do you think that this person, let's go back to the standard, can this person, you think this person is going to be impartial? Right? You think you have a reasonable challenge to the impartiality of that person? Of course you would. Anybody would. Every single solitary one of these judges in D.C. refuse to recuse themselves, and they're all, not all of them quite, not all of them aren't that stupid, but most of them are either that stupid or they just don't care. But folks, anyway, do not for any minute think that the January 6th pardons are improper. And one of the reasons they're improper is this was part of the meltdown of the system where it didn't act appropriately. And you'd think these judges would be smart enough to know that. Anyway, if you enjoyed this material, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you do, you'll see me on the next one.